introduction එක හොඳට අහගෙන හිටියා නම් දැන් තේරෙන්න ඕන. In the first example or the introduction we discussed man and wind problem. Both velocities and their direction were given. ඒ දෙකම අපිට දීලා තිබ්බා. Magnitude and direction, both things were given. But here in this case, magnitude, direction given. Here magnitude given, but not the direction. Here direction is unknown. For those kind of relative velocity problems, we have to use a different method to obtain the velocity triangle. කලින් ගානේ velocity triangle එක අපිට ලේසියෙන් ඇඳ ගන්න පුළුවන්. Directions දීලා තිබ්බ නිසා. මේකේ එක්කෙනෙක්ගේ direction එක දෙන්නේ නැහැ. එහෙම තමයි aircraft problem එකේයි river problem එකේයි ගාන දෙන්නේ. එහෙනම් මේකට apply කරනවා අපි අලුත් method එකක්. Circle method කියලා. Circle method. Relative velocity triangle එක අදින්න බෑ එකපාරේ හින්දා යනවා මෙන්න මේකට. මේක තමයි අද seminar එකේ ඇත්තටම වැදගත්ම දේ basis එක. ඕක තමයි අද මම seminar එකේ උගන්වන්නේ. කොහොමද circle method එක use කරලා මේ information එක triangle එකකට ගන්නෙ. Okay. This is the process. First we have to interchange. Now I'm going to begin circle method. Listen carefully. First step is to interchange these two vectors to represent these two velocities, because first vector is PR, but here direction of this velocity is unknown. So how can we draw the first vector if its direction is unknown? Therefore I have to draw the vector where the direction is known first. පළවෙනියටම දින්න ඕන direction එක දන්න vector එක. ඒ හින්දා V represent කරනවා PR ගෙන්, U represent කරනවා RQ ගෙන් කියලා ඔන්න ඔහම interchange කරගන්න ඕන. That is the first step in circle method. Done. Now we can draw PR vector representing V downwards. V, we can draw it here. V downwards. What is that vector? PR. PR. Then considering the end point of the first vector. Considering the end point of the first vector, we are going to draw a circle around this, keeping that as the center. First vector is drawn, then going to draw a circle. What is the center? This end point of this first vector marked is the center. This is the center. Draw a circle. Radius of the circle must be larger than this vector. Very important. If this is the center, size of the circle, radius of the circle must be more than this vector. That is for river problems and aircraft problems. For collisions, the fifth type in relative velocity, in those cases, we have to draw the circle smaller in radius than the first vector. එතකොට collision ගණන් වල ship දෙකක් ගිහිල්ලා එකට හැප්පෙනවා, submarine එකක් ගිහිල්ලා ship එකේ හැප්පෙනවා. එතකොට enemy vessel එකක් මේ වෙඩි තියනවා කාට හරි ඔන්න ඔහොම එකක් කිව්වහම first vector එක ඇඳලා second vector එක අඳිද්දි ඒ circle එක මේකට වඩා පොඩියට තමයි අඳින්නේ. ඒ information එක question එකේම තියෙනවා inequality එකක් හැටියට. හරි. ඒවා දන්නේ නැති ඒවා බලලවත් නැති ළමයි ඉන්නවා නම් අවුලක් නැහැ, කිසි ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. අද උගන්වන මේක ඉගෙන ගන්න. අර කතන්දරේ අපි පස්සේ බලමු. දැන් උගන්වන එක ඔලුවට දාන්න. Now, okay, circle drawn. Then next one. Here still I can't mark this second velocity RQ because direction is unknown. But here we know the direction of this PQ. PQ ge direction එක දන්නවා ළමයි. What is PQ? That is the resultant. Sum of these two will give you this. That means this is the resultant. Now see carefully. First vector PR drawn. After that, from R to Q, Q can be any point in this circle, but we don't know the direction. R to Q. But I know the direction PQ. PQ, that means I'm going to mark this resultant vector PQ starting from where? P, because I'm going to mark PQ vector. එනම් PQ නම් පටන් ගන්න ඕන P ගෙන්නේ. එහෙනම් මෙතනින් පටන් ගන්න. What is the direction? That is theta inclined to east from north. Vertical එකේ ඉඳලා theta inclined වෙන්න ඕන east එකට. එහෙනම් යන්නේ A to B උඩට from here to here. This is my P. Understood? This is the resultant. Since this is the resultant, I am going to put 2 arrows. Then angle is marked like this. This angle is theta. Okay. If this is the resultant, resultant is the vector drawn from starting point of the first vector and end point of the second vector. Resultant එක කියන්නේ අපි mark කරන vectors දෙකේ starting point එකේ ඉඳලා finishing point එකට අදින ඉර. Starting point එක මෙතනනේ ළමයි. එහෙනම් resultant එක ඉවර වෙලා තියෙන්නේ මෙතනින්. Then this should be the end point of the second vector. Now we can join R and this point. Now what is this? This is our RQ where we didn't know the direction earlier. Direction එක දන්නේ නැතුව හිටිය vector එකේ direction එක හොයාගත්තා.